John 14:6. Jesus said to him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. Again, Jesus spoke to them, saying, I am the light of the world. Whoever follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life. John 8:12. Jesus said to them, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me shall not hunger, and whoever believes in me shall never thirst. John 6:35. Jesus said, I am the resurrection and the life. Whoever believes in me, though he die, yet shall he live. John 11:25-26. John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have eternal life. John 3:16.
you.